Hey, so I wanted to review the files included in my package. So if I go to the installed location, VILib jki zstd, I can see that there's my LabVIEW project, an LV version file that lets me manually set the version of my source code, and my zstd folder that contains all of my VIs and the library. I also have my unit tests and some scripts that VIPM is using, and I don't need those in my package. Lastly, I have a bin folder, that's my binary folder, that contains some shared libraries. To remove the items I don't need in my package, I'm going to open the package build specification and head over to the source file settings. I don't need my LabVIEW project or the .lv version file, so I'm going to exclude those from my package. I don't need all of the unit tests in the package, so I'll exclude those, and I don't need those build scripts either. I should just be left with a bin folder and a zstandard folder. I have a couple more options for the LabVIEW files on the right hand side. I could change the protection settings of the parent folder and password protect those VIs if IP protection is important to me. A VIPM Pro user is able to lock those files, so if I just sign into my VIPM Pro account, I have several protection options available. First, I can lock the VIs with no password. This means anyone can still unlock them, but it acts as a deterrent, a reminder not to modify the VIs. Or I could password protect the VIs. I have two options here. I can enter a custom password of my choosing, or I could have the password be completely randomized. With completely randomized passwords, even I as the developer don't know what the password is going to be. This level of protection is useful for two main reasons. First, it provides IP protection, ensuring that neither I nor anyone else can easily change the VIs once they're installed within vi.lib. Second, it guarantees build consistency. If this package forms part of the source code for another application, you want to be absolutely certain that the application is going to be built from exactly the same unmodified source code every time. So I'm going to save, build and install this straight into LabVIEW. And typically my very first QA check is just to open it in the palette and make sure the VIs aren't broken. I'll wire up the connector pane here and the run arrow is okay. Then heading to the installed location on disk, I can see we just have the zstandard folder and the bin folder. And if we look at the package size itself, we see the package size is about half of what it used to be. So that's great. It means the package can be downloaded and installed faster for end users.